Hey, what's going on, people? In today's how-to video, we're gonna do a little test. Y'all can see how rusted this thing is. We're gonna see if we can bring this horseshoe back to life, man. This thing is caked with rust. So what we're gonna do is put this product to the test. It's called EvapoRust. It's supposed to be a super safe rust mover that's water soluble, pH neutral, biodegradable, non-toxic, non-corrosive, ready to use, no acids, no VOCs, safe on skin and eyes, and removes rust to bare metal. I got a milk jug cut out. What we're gonna do is pour some of this in here. We're gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna check back up on it daily. All right, so here it is, guys. I would say it's been about 24 hours. I started recording about this time yesterday. Just pull this out. Look at the trace of all the residue that's left in there. Put it right here. Man, this thing is, wow, look at that. This thing works miraculously, man. Holy cow, look at the difference. Oh my god. You can actually see the metal now. Alright guys, so the proof's in the pudding, and I got a big spoon. Here it is, it's called EvapoRust. I'll leave a link below in the description on where you can pick it up. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more future videos just like this one. Peace out.